Hello students, welcome to Praishu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is triangle, rectangle, square, sides and their vertices. So in this video we are going to see exercise 29, which is available in our Navneet digest on page number 302. So as we seen in our lecture also, so there are the triangle, rectangle and the squares. So there are the number of the sides and the number of the vertices. So that theoretical part, please go through that one. Same we have explained in our lecture also. So on that basis there are the some examples is there. So solve examples are going to see before the going to the exercise. So just for the overview, so question number 1 in a solve examples. So how many vertices are there in a given figure? So there is a something line like this one. Okay, so this is somewhat v shape here. So this is 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5 vertices are there, and this is a option number 3 is the correct one, which is containing 5 vertices. So question number 2 on next page. So how many rectangles are there in a figure? So there is a something like these figures. Okay, so there is a 1 2 and here the 2. So if we add this 1 plus 2 here the 3 and 1 plus 2 here the 3, so this 3 and 3 multiplication, so we are getting the 9. Okay, so means 9 is given in a option number 4. Then exercise 29 on question number on page number 302. Question number 1 is there. A rectangular has dot 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 sides. So rectangular have how many sides? So we know rectangular having the 4 sides, means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 2, how many triangles does the given figure contain? So there is a something figure like this one, and here also one triangle inside. So here how many triangles? So this outer one, okay, so that is 1, then 2 3 4 and 5, so plus 4, so that is a, we can say 5 triangles are there, and this 5 is given in option number 2. Then question number 3, look at the given figure, write the total number of vertices of the triangle. So there is a something figure like this one, triangle is there, and then here one line and here one line. So in this one, how many vertices, number of the vertices? So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So there are the total 5 vertices. So 5 vertices are given in option number 3. Then question number 4, observe the given figure and tell the number of rectangles present in this one. So there is a figure like this one. Already we have seen this topic in our intelligent test, the counting of the figures. So same reflects in this topic also. So this in a horizontal 1 2 and 3 numbering, and in a vertical columns, so there is a 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, so that is a 6 is there, and this 1 plus 2, that is a 3. So this product is there, 6 multiplied by 3 is the 18. So there are the 18 rectangles. So this one 18 is given in option number 3. Then question number 5, how many squares are present in a given figure? So the figure is somewhat be like this, something exactly like a square, and here also equal quadrilaterally, so all are the squares. Then inside also one square is there. Okay, so these are the squares. So this one, this is a square. Okay, so this like this one, 1 2 3 and 4, so 4. And in the smalls, this one, so there are also 1 2 3 and 4 squares. So addition of the 4 plus this complete outer one plus this complete inner one, so that is also 1. So 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1, so that is a, we can say the 10. So 10 is given in option number 2. Then question number 6, how many triangles are there in a following figure? So there is a figure somewhat be like a shape in a triangle. Okay, so like this one, and here the one line, and on this one also one line. So this we will count as a separately 1 2, and here also 1 2. So 1 plus 2 3, and this 1 plus 2 additions of this 3. So 3 plus 3, there are the 6 triangles are there, and these 6 triangles is given in option number 3. Then question number 7, which of the following is wrong statement? So option number 1 to 4 are there. So if you see, option number 4 is the wrong statement. All the sides of the rectangular are equal lengths. No, all the sides of the squares are equal length. Rectangular doesn't have the equal lengths. Only opposite sides are the equal. So that's why option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 8, how many vertices does the triangle have? So sorry, rectangular have. So rectangular having 1, 2, 3 and 4 vertices. 4 is given in option number 1. Then question number 9, how many squares are there in the given figure? So there is a figure like this one. So these are the squares figure, and in this one vertically 2 lines and horizontally 1 line. So here 1, 2 and 3 and then 1, 2. So product of this 2 means 2 and 3. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 3, and then additions of this one remaining larger. So larger one is a 2. So 2 multiplied by 3 is a 6 plus 2. So that is a 8 squares are there, and 8 is given in option number 2. Then question number 10, how many triangles does the given figure like this one? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 triangles, and then this one completely and this one completely 2 triangles. So 5 plus 2, there are the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 triangles, and then this complete one triangle and this one also. So 6 plus 2, so there are the 8 triangles. So 8 is given in option number 3. Then question number 11, a triangle has 3 vertices. If quadrilateral is formed joining 2 triangles, so suppose this is a quadrilateral, any quadrilateral. So it's made by these 2 triangles. Okay, these are the 2 different triangles. Triangles having these vertices. Okay, 3 vertices. This triangle having these 3 vertices. Then if the quadrilateral is formed by joining the 2 triangles, how many vertices will it have? So for the vertices 1, 2, 3 and the 4 vertices only, because this is a joining triangles. These 2 vertices are now lapping at a one point, so that will be count as a only one. So this 4 is given in option number 2. Thank you.